do here is go back.
Okay, y'all. Chicken
and cone.
Chicken and cone.
Chicken in a waffle cone.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we back, y'all.
We back, you guys.
And this time we have, I'm gonna lift the bag up. Y'all see what they say? Chicken and cone.
Chicken waffle cone.
Yeah, chicken cone.
Chicken cone.
Chicken cone. And they come in this little box, y'all. Let's see what it look like.
Woo!
We ain't even looked at it. Y'all see that's a waffle cone with chicken.
Waffle
and we got
cone with chicken.
Kickin' Ranch. Kickin' Ranch.
Kickin' Ranch, y'all.
Yeah. Let's see what this thing talking about, y'all.
Baby, you give me a napkin. They ain't give us no napkin. You know, when you're traveling, you keep a towel.
Yeah. We got the chicken cone.
All right, let's
see what this thing talking
say
about.
our grace. We're gonna...
Yeah, before we dive in. Let's continue this, please. Thank you for looking over this.
Amen.
Yeah.
Hey, you guys. Woo! I don't even need no fork. Forget
you don't need
that.
no fork. Yeah, so dive in.
Baby.
Dive in.
Baby, ready, y'all.
See
First
that?
bite.
Ooh.
You guys,
Man,
they said
y'all.
that they make their cone. Did she say fresh?
I thought I can't remember, y'all.
We couldn't record in there, you guys, because they had a lot of music.
Taste so good. Taste with the cone.
And yes, you guys, we eating chicken.
Yeah, we on vacation, y'all.
Oh my God.
It's on. It's on. Let's see how this tastes with this cone.
Woo-wee.
Y'all?
If you're in Houston, Texas,
you better. Man, you better check out chicken and cone. It's good. It tastes like chicken and waffles. It's chicken and waffles, y'all.
this is good. Let me put this waffle. Oh my God. Whoever came up with this,
think you got a winner.
they said there's one more other location they think in Florida. So we go to Florida. Got to try. Get it, baby. Baby, turn it up, y'all.
They break him off something. Man. Yeah, y'all see that waffle cone? Whole waffle cone, y'all. They stuffed chicken in there with their sauce. They had about what?
9 flavors.
About 9 flavors?
It's good. This I drink from my pizza place that we got for free.
Yeah, they told us go and take them.
I'm gonna take them.
We wasn't waiting all that time.
Ain't waiting no god dog it hour for no darn slice of pizza.
Too long. Y'all see that? Let me see. Let me make sure, y'all. Let me make sure. Y'all see that? So this ain't nothing. This ain't something they got everywhere.
It's not something they have everywhere. You can tell because how the setup is. I love their customer service. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, you guys.
Give them that.
The establishments was live too. When I tell y'all it was live in there, they had the music going, people sitting around eating, but it's not a real big place at all. Probably capacity, I'll say about 20 people maybe.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a little cone. I'm gonna let baby have that other piece.
Go ahead, bro.
Oh no. We're doing food reviews today.
Man, we got it. Yeah. That's why we didn't get 2 of these, y'all.
Yeah.
We trying to save the room. That's why baby giving it to me too. She know we ain't done. We ain't done yet, y'all.
I'm doing a food review for y'all. Real quick little snippet. And we're gonna be right back. Guys, we're going to the burger joint now. Food review. Last day here in Houston.
Yeah. We in the rain, y'all.
Yeah,
umbrellaed out.
I'll go to the right. Okay. Catch you right back. Guys, we made it inside.
I like these balls on the Canine Live.
Oh! You guys see that menu? Milkshake. Is that it? I don't have it.
Yeah, I was scared.
Okay. No.
Hey, y'all, we are at the burger joint. Y'all see that? We are at the burger joint. Sitting outside on the patio, waiting on my wife to return back to the table. Everybody's enjoying got the game on. So I think they're watching baseball, y'all. We about to watch this food, though. Yeah. So that's what it is, y'all. We're at the burger joint. You see that? We about to dive in.
Back, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you guys. We at the burger joint.
Burger joint. We
back.
Well, we in Houston.
Yes, y'all back with another review, you guys.
And another one.
And another one.
And I have what's called the barbecue. I have the barbecue burger, y'all. Y'all see that? Ooh, y'all see that? It has Angus beef, tomatoes, cheese, lettuce, and onion rings. Y'all see that? And we have the fries.
Yes.
But then we have the coconut boozy milkshake. It has rum in it, y'all. This is a coconut shake.
Cause I'm about to get litty.
Man, look here. Man, look. Tell them what you have.
And I have the mushroom burger, you guys. Look at that.
Yeah, I started to get that, y'all.
Ooh, you
I
guys.
think I got the right one this time. My wife got the right one the last time.
Yeah.
At the cupcake kitchen, she got the right one. I got the right one for me.
And we have fries and drink. Okay, we're gonna say our grace. And
Dig in.
dive in.
Yeah.
Amen. And you guys, we sitting out on the patio.
Let me see what that rum tastes like, y'all.
Excuse me, y'all. I got to get some napkins, okay? I'm about to get up.
Baby.
What? You know, I don't like milkshake.
Baby.
I don't like.
Listen out this time.
Baby, I don't like
It
milkshake.
tastes like that melon.
I don't like milkshake.
Man, this tastes like that melon.
My husband don't like no darn milkshake.
Y'all, this right here, I give it 2. Y'all see the coconut flakes?
They don't waste it now. That's an alcohol drink. You don't waste that. I wonder if they have my mustard on here. Oh, it's already on here. First bite.
First bite.
What? Okay. You guys, the burger, the bun is real.
Wow.
No, it tastes great. The burger joint.
That's some water to wash this down, y'all. Baby,
Baby.
if you go cheat and eat, this is how you eat, y'all.
No, this how you cheat.
Yeah, that's how you treat, y'all. If you gonna cheat and eat, this is how you cheat. This is how you get it.
We hope that you guys have enjoyed our food review.
Man, look, we are enjoying it ourselves, man. Look here. Woo!
Yes, we are, you guys. We are enjoying ourselves. Sorry about the people walking by. We can't help that. We're on the patio. Y'all can see the fan. It's still raining, so. What I like about this setup too, you guys, we are not around like people. I don't know if you guys can see around, but people are scattered out everywhere. They're sitting at the bars. They have tables that's like spread out. And I love that. So because you guys know that I don't like this COVID stuff and I don't like to come out. This is awesome though. I don't remember last time my husband and I have been like out to a restaurant. And we always order out and bring it, don't we?
Yeah, we bring it back to the house.
Bring it back to the house. So it just feels good to just be out, you know? It's good, baby. Oh, you know I don't like that. You make me want to try it. Look.
I told you.
Man,
She don't even eat milkshakes, y'all. She don't even drink them. It's bland like that.
I want more.
Just drop it like boop.
Oh my God. You You guys, I don't even like milkshakes. I don't do nothing pertaining to milk. I don't even know how to describe it. It has flakes of, what is that? Coconut in there. You don't even taste the alcohol.
Rum. It has rum.
I don't even taste the alcohol. It's so good.
And whipped cream on the top. Man.
Yeah.
Told you.
Do y'all see how big this burger is though? Look at the cheese. This is cheese and onion.
What they need to do is be outstanding identifiers of talent that other coaches miss and outstanding developers of that talent. They won a few more games than they did last year.
Was it worth it?
They won a few more games than they did last year.
Yes.
These are things that they need to do to build up those
Burger's so good it make me say, Mama say, come out. Mama say, come out. Woo, woo.
Okay, Mike.
Man.
We kind of just looked up on this. You know, I'm from Dallas, but this is probably like my third time coming to Houston. We used to go, well, I used to go to the Capitol Beach party that was held in Galveston. So we never like toured around in the city of Houston. We would just go to the beach area, you know? So my husband and I actually, after we looked up the pizza joint, went there in an hour wait for some pizza. We were like, well, good there. So we just started Googling restaurants in the area, things to do in Houston. Came across this joint.
I think we got a winner. We back in Houston. Guess what we got?
The burger joint.
Joy? Yeah.
And, well, I don't want to say that because we already left that video. We're going to make this just pertain to the burger joint.
Yeah, this is a burger joint review. Review.
So people are looking at success in that in Wisconsin and say who's going to be able to replicate in Champaign.
Man, baby.
It's so good, you guys. This burger is huge. I'm not going to be able to eat all this. I'm going to have to take it. Take it to go. Because it's a lot.
It's ridiculous.
It's a lot. Look at cheese. Pepper jack cheese and onion. I said, sir, how is your food?
Outstanding.
Hey.
Burger knock me out.
It's great. Has a good taste.
Well, y'all,
Yeah.
I told y'all read the title? Back-to-back food review.
Back-to-back Houston food reviews.
And we get ready to take off. We hope y'all enjoyed it. It tastes as good as it looks.
Yes, it does.
We'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, Houston.
It's been real.
Yeah.
But we out.
We out.
Peace.